everybody, it's Alem. Hey yo everybody, what's up today? Oh la 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 la, it's gonna be insane today. It's the final, oh my god, of the GBB Wave versus Jairo. Oh, famous team, France versus Japan, guys. It's gonna be insane. I will react on this video, plus I will tell you my opinion. But if you want to tell me your opinion on the comments, it's always super interesting. Please subscribe on the channel. Look at this statistic. Oh no, no way. Look at this. 80% are not a subscriber. In French is non abonné. Oh no, only 20. So who you are, please click on the button subscribe, like the video, and thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate. Allez, let's go for the Wave final. Oh la la.
Step into
Let's begin.
Allez, let's go to the final, guys. It's now the final, guys.
Are you ready?
No, we are not ready. It's gonna be insane. I want to say big up to my Japan community. Thank you very much. Arigato gozaimasu.
Give it up
to follow me on YouTube. Thank you so much.
Wave.
Allez, Wave on stage. Yeah, River. La rivière. Collapse.
River, collapse, Rogue Wave versus from Japan.
From Japan.
Give it up for Jairo. Hit him with the glitch. Are you ready for the tag team finals?
Who start? I don't remember who start.
Not good enough. Are you ready for the tag team finals?
Ay, ay, ay.
We have Jairo versus Rogue Wave. Jairo won the coin toss, chose Rogue Wave to go first, battling for $15,000, the title of GBB Champions 23. Let's get into it. I say the trois, you say the deux. No, left, right, side to side, everybody. In trois,
deux, un, beatbox. Oh là là. Oh là là. Wow, it's so... Oh, the precision is insane. Let's go. Whoa. Yeah, reaction, emotion. Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. It's a 7-8.
Put your motherfucking hands up.
Wow. Oh là là. Wow. What a crazy first round. Different vibe.
Maybe that's fine. I sent you flower. Did you even care?
Oh là là, John T.
You run a shower.
We are fan of John T. The bass. Oh, the control.
I know you think you're such an but you gotta show you ain't nothing better than scars. These
Oh, yeah. This final. Second round. Rock wave. Oh la la, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. So intelligent to do something like this versus Jairo. Oh no, same reaction. Wow! Beautiful and at the same time very technical.
So listen up, keep your ears to the ground. Don't get any mistaken now. I'm the dude with the donkey crown, and I ain't gonna be taken down. I ain't letting my spirits down, cause I'm much better than much of fun. I'm the dude with the donkey crown, and I ain't gonna be taken down. Yeah.
Okay.
So choose something to believe in. You know we give life its meaning. No. If I search my feelings, I don't know.
Oh! Oh la la! That's beautiful. Really nice, really nice. Wow. What a crazy final, guys. Okay, Alem emotion. I will tell you my emotion. What I think about
Jairo,
this
that was
final.
the final.
Stay in the video, please.
GBB23, make some noise for the tag team
Yes, stay in the video. Don't cut the video. Because what I will say, it's really interesting. And I will tell you, because I judge the final. Look, I am on stage, judge.
Please
and
join
I
us
will
on
tell
the
you
stage.
why
I
I vote for
Rogue Wave.
I wait for the video.
And Jairo!
I stay in the video,
right.
stay here.
Rogue Wave on this side.
It's beautiful moments. We
Jairo
take
on this
time to
side.
watch that, yeah.
Passing the torch along is Supernova.
Jairo versus Rogue Wave. Supernova do it.
All right.
The
The
judgment.
winners, once again, will be going home, splitting $12,000.
$12,000を獲得
Yeah,
す
it's
る
a lot of
勝
money,
者
right?
は
Each of them will be receiving the Avirex jacket.
Allez.
勝者には使用金だけではなくアビレックスさんから提供されたジャケットとローランドさんからの、こちら
I will
Each
tell
of them
you,
will also be
because for me,
receiving the V-Moda headphones.
I know it's an art final, really art final, but
And last but not least,
I have my decision, I have my emotion.
a rolling
I will
toss.
tell you what I
Mark
think about
II.
this
マ
final.
ーク2のループステーションももらえ
Loop
ます
Station. The
Oh.
prize pack is also included with some other goodies. But let's get to this. Do you guys want to find out who your champions are?
皆さん誰か知りたいですか、チャンピオンは
Let's go!
From the bottom to the top, right now, GBB23, live and direct in Tokyo. Your tag team champions are Rogue Wave.
Beautiful. Ah, look at Pac-Max. Yeah, French team, Firebras. This is a beautiful moment. Wow, I love it.
Ooh la la.
Yeah, Japan team, power to Jairo for the second place. Amazing.
But making it all the way to second
Yeah.
place, can you please make some noise for
Make
Japan's
some
own
noise for
Jairo?
Yeah, beautiful future for Jairo. Okay, make a pause. What is in the final now? No way, nothing. Just yeah, subscribe. Okay, I will tell you my opinion. The first round of the Rogue Wave was really powerful. You see it? So many ideas. Placement. You see? So it's a round like really round, powerful round. Yeah, with a lot of ideas. Alem emotion. You see, it's really powerful, good control. The first round of Jairo was more chilling, more musical, and more take time. Only this drop at the end was really great. But it's more around like chill round, you see, with the singing and taking time. You see, the tempo is slow. Okay, it's beautiful, but because the first one was really with a lot of energy with Rogue Wave, the first one of Jairo was okay. And what I love in this battle, in this final, is because it's really super intelligent. Rogue Wave for the second round coming with, you see, I speak fast because I know it's gonna be too long the analysis and you prefer reaction, emotion. But I will tell you my opinion now. Stay in the video. So it's really intelligent here to be something really musical at the beginning of the second round. Because they know about, I'm sure they know about Jairo is gonna be doing something musical. So they want to do a beautiful moment, taking time. And stay with that. With a drill, but with some placement. This. Something really technical, this. 3 times, 4 times. Hey. Bah! Doing this is super complicated, trust me, on stage, without mistake. And with the second round of Jairo, it's interesting because it's more, of course, it's more energetic, it's more, the tempo is more faster. But singing and one beat, I mean, we need something more powerful on the second round, I think. They do a really great, I think the best drop at the end is this one. The and really complicated here too. So it's a good answer. It's why it's a good final, because it's the answer to Rogue Wave. But it sounds not enough. How to say, in the final we want something more, because Rogue Wave did already, and the answer of you can't win only because you have these tricks versus Rogue Wave. You know what I mean? You win because you can do something else, and because they sing again with a beat. We need just maybe 1 or 2 drop more powerful. Maybe in the first one too. The first one maybe is too chill, too musical for the final, I mean. And we need something really more like this, a drop, like the drop. You know, when I say the drop, Yeah. This is my reaction, emotion, and what I think. But tell me in the comments, what do you think of this final? Super interesting. Japanese, in English, in French, in all language you want, because I can translate it on YouTube, so it's not a problem. And thank you very much for watching this video. It's such a good pleasure for the final. Don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel here, and bye bye everybody. Sorry, for the next video. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Jairo.